In this video, I'll tell you how you can download and install Good Lock on any Samsung device. First of all, navigate to your Play Store application and search for Good Lock. As you can see that there is no official application of Good Lock right here. Also, there is no Good Lock application in Samsung store. However, I will tell you a method by which you can easily install Good Lock application. Simply search for Find Lock right here and tap on this search icon. Then install this application of Find Lock, which says only for Samsung. Once this application is downloaded, simply open the application like so and tap on Visit Find Lock homepage. After that, scroll down and right here you can see Good Lock. Simply tap on that and you will be redirected to this website. Simply scroll down and click on download. After that, tap on download anyway. And as you can see that file is now downloading. As you can see that file is now downloaded. Simply tap on three dots and go to downloads. And right here this is the file we just downloaded. Simply tap on that and tap on install. However, I am seeing this error. To fix this error, simply navigate to your settings application like so and scroll down and go to security and privacy. Then scroll down once again and disable this toggle of auto blocker. Enter your password and this toggle will be disabled. Simply navigate back to the downloads and try to install once again. Tap on that and tap on install. Now as you can see that the application has been installed successfully. Simply go back to your home page and open your app drawer. And right here you can see Good Lock application is right here. So that's how you can easily download and install Good Lock application on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.